Hey folks, Josh with Skid Pro here. Today I'm excited to go in depth on our hydraulic post driver. Doing the actual work with some of our attachments, like buckets and forks, can be a little mundane. But this is one of my absolute favorite attachments to use. Why, you ask? Well, for a few reasons. One, it's just fun to operate. Two, it's easy to use and you get a lot done. And three, the alternative ways to put posts in the ground are not enjoyable at all. First and foremost, productivity. The speed and efficiency of driving posts in the ground with this driver is unmatched. There is simply no other attachment or option that comes even close. With a rapid 900 blows per minute, this driver takes a fraction of the time compared to post pounding or drop hammer pounding, augering and tamping, and of course the dreaded post hole auger doesn't come close. And because of its extreme power and efficiency, it all but eliminates the need for pre-digging or soil preparation in most conditions. A seasoned two-man crew can set up and drive a post in less than 60 seconds. That is some serious productivity to deliver faster payback and return per fencing project. Next up, we take a look at our nitrogen-charged drive system, the heart of this attachment. This system is the same design we utilize in our concrete breakers. It is proven to deliver more efficient power, better impact force, and added longevity. Not only does the drive deliver the fast 900 blows per minute, it hits at an impact force of 750 pounds of energy. It strikes the perfect balance of fast cycle times to deliver the vibration effect that wiggles that post into the ground, along with the impact force, or power if you will, that gives the driver the punch to get through tough ground conditions. We utilize an extra heavy-duty frame and QT plate design, which is needed on an attachment that takes a lot of vibration and impact. A 1 3/8 inch back plate and 5/8 inch steel front plate surround the guts of the driver, add both vibration protection and overall durability to the most critical components of the driver. Now let's jump into those no-see-ums that many folks forget about but can be priceless out in the field. First, we've got 3 extra large hooks welded to the main frame of the driver, along with a heavy-duty chain with a unique red hook at the end. The hook and chain combo, along with the unique non-slip red hook at the end of the chain, make it easy to wrap around a post and pull an already driven post up out of the ground. Or you can even use it as a depth gauge for more consistent post driving depth. The inside diameter of the post driver cub tool is almost 7 inches. This is the sweet spot for maximum control on the most common post sizes. A bigger cup would be too sloppy and reduce productivity, and yet the 7-inch cup can be used on bigger posts, though there can be some marring on the surface. The oversized feet of the frame make for secure and stable storage when not in use. It also gives added ease when hooking up the driver to your skid loader. Lastly, it wouldn't be a Skid Pro product review if there was no mention of our industry-leading 2-year warranty. As the originator of the 2-year warranty across the entire lineup, some have followed, but only because we went there first. If you have any other questions about our post driver or any of our attachments, give a product guru a call today or visit us online at skidpro.com. And as always, our promise to you: better products, better service, happier customers.